Hey, this is Noah Raddick, therapist here at Health and Balance. Today I'm going to be showing you about one of our pieces of equipment we give for home care. It's called the Hypersphere. This sucker is pretty much like a lacrosse ball, except it's going to vibrate when you turn it on, so it gets even deeper into the muscular tissue. So we're going to prescribe this to our patients after we find their scar tissue chart where the red zones are, where they need to break up that tissue. We're going to give them something like this to break that up on their own. So we show them a couple different ways how to break up the scar tissue. If it were in the front, where it gets tight, the scar tissue will pull you into what's called a hyperkyphosis. We'll prescribe this for our patients to put on the edge of their bed, wedge it in between their shoulder and their chest, and to start breaking up that tissue by doing ranges of motion. We do that for a few minutes, not just that, but wherever we find this scar tissue. Let's say it was in the lower back. We'd have our patients on the ground here, possibly in bed if there's too much pressure, put it under the sacrum, and we start having our patients do ranges of motion here, breaking up the scar tissue, stretching that SI joint. We got other ways to use it as well. We can put it against a couch, wedge it behind here to get those tight muscles that lead to the neck. And we work them 2 to 5 minutes, focusing on the sore spots. When you find a sore spot, 20 seconds on that until the pain dissipates, and then we move on to the next spot. This is a great way to keep our patients active in their own therapy when they're not here. If you have any questions, please call us at 949-497-2553 or email us at healthandbalance.com.